Good day, one and all. My name is Kathy, and welcome to this episode of the Scrap and Crafty Garden. Today's video is going to be an unboxing from Simon Says Stamp. I subscribe to their card kit of the month. So this is the February card kit, a couple other things that I purchased. And at the end, I want you to pick from 2 pieces of paper that I'm going to make a card with this coming Friday. All right, so I've untaped the box, but I have not opened it, so let's see what we have inside here. All right, I ordered this Lucky Charm 6x6 stencil from Echo Park on that shamrock. I don't have a whole lot myself for St. Patrick's Day, so I thought that was very pretty. Now this is 3 A2 layering stencils from Picket Fence Studios. If I remember right, these are seams. So I want to open this one real quick. Oh yeah, that's got clouds and stars. And this one's like more clouds or a mountain and butterflies. And then this one has clouds, grass, and more different clouds. So these are going to be some cool stencils. All right. Now this is the card kit of the month. Okay. Tim Holtz Distress Collage Medium Matte. Ooh, I don't know how to use that, so I'm going to have to learn up on that. And I'll do a video for tomorrow with it. Let me set the box aside and open the package. See what we got in here this month. All right, that's it. Oh, cool. I got a Cherry Charm Mini Pop. Oh, my favorite black VersaFine Claire Nocturne. This is like a new label. This is how I get mine at Joann Fabrics or Amazon. This must be the new packaging. Okay, these are Tim Holtz Distress Watercolor pencils. I've got the color Evergreen Bow, Carved Pumpkin, and Tea Dye. Oh, I could have used these on yesterday's card where I did the Craft Roulette Challenge with the vintage colors. Those would have worked nice. And so would the collage medium. I got a pack of Tim Holtz Ideology Ephemera pack, an eclectic collection of printed memorabilia. So let's see what's in here. We'll just do a cursory quick peek and not look at everything. Looks like some travel items, some stamps and tickets, some lace pieces. Oh, like some vintage postcards. Okay, this should be cool to play around with. There's a lot in here. All right, I'll go through that and come up with something to do tomorrow with all this, because I want to figure out how to do this collage medium. I have never done that before. All right, we get a pink A2 envelope. Ooh, and I got some black little mini pop-up stickers. These would be great for doing on black cards. Got a code of save $5 on orders of $5 or more until April 15th. Ooh, I'm going to have to check that out. Oh, and an embossing folder. This is hearts, pinnacle hearts. Let me pull this out. I think I'll use this up. I'll use whatever this red is, so you can see the heart pattern. That is going to be cool. I like that. And that's a really thick folder. I'm going to have to figure out the sandwich on that one. And then, oh, these are A2 card fronts. They're already scored and folded. And a stamp set. This one's called Vintage Love Notes. Sending love, adore you, love and affection. Paris, 1888, number 814. Adored and loved. Kiss me, darling, because I love you. Hugs and kisses, a token of love. I love these music notes and these butterflies and that stamp. Oh, this could be pretty too, but I really like these items in particular of this set. Oh, and there's a sample sheet on what to do. Okay, and then get a piece of white. Oh, this is a textured cardstock. What is this? Oh, this is watercolor cardstock. Oh, great, for using with the watercolors. All right. I'll have to definitely try those. And then a piece of 8.5 by 11 pastel pink cardstock. I'm liking this. Okay. Think of what you would do with these and see what I come up with for tomorrow. Okay, now, as I said, this is going to be a very short video. I have 2 pieces of paper I picked out from my stack of 12 by 12 sheets, and I want you to tell me which one of these 2 you want me to make something with for this coming Friday's video. Paper number 1 is double-sided. One side is what do they call it? Shades. It's shades of pink, and then it has these little purple circles that almost look like sequins, but it's not sparkly at all. It is a double-sided paper, which just has a variegated pink on the back. So I could use both sides of that to do something with. And paper number 2. This piece has lime green, dark purple, kind of like a navy blue, yellows, splotchy purple. It's just a single piece of paper, one-sided, whereas this is a piece of lightweight cardstock. Okay, put your comments below which paper you want me to use to make the card this Friday. And I'll try and highlight the paper more. My last card, I kind of covered the paper up because I wasn't really fond of it. But these 2 are kind of pretty. And I think I could think of some things to do with these. So let me know, paper 1 or paper 2. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow trying to figure out this collage medium. I'll try and figure it out today before I do the project tomorrow. I think I'm going to surprise myself. Have a great rest of your day. Stay warm, stay safe for anybody here in the U.S. and in Canada that's affected by this really frigid cold front coming through. Thanks for watching. Have a great rest of your day.